When you're cooking on the stovetop or grill, if you try to flip a piece of protein, whether it's chicken, pork, or beef, too soon, the skin or the outer layer of meat will stick. And if it's fish, it will likely flake apart into shreds. But if you wait long enough, the protein releases from the pan. Why does this happen? Well, when dissolved solids, such as the proteins in meat or fish, bond to a surface, it's called adsorption. The mechanism by which this happens is complicated, and it's actually not fully understood. But what's not complicated is how to fix it. High heat will break these bonds. But getting your pan or grill ripping hot isn't enough to do the job. As soon as you put your food down, the temperature of the cooking surface will drop, and the food will stick. You have to wait patiently for the temperature to climb back up and then cook the exterior of the food to a high enough temperature to break those bonds. So how do you know when that point has been reached? Conveniently, there's a nice visual cue: browning. Food browns when a series of chemical reactions take place, which generally happens at around the same high temperature that is required to break the bonds between the food and the pan. So make sure you've waited until you've got good browning before you try to flip your proteins.